had a crush seeing a black man, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He has a great body, and when I was a kid, I did not know like black people existed. It was like
Oh,
I
really?
did not know. Like I'm not lying. I swear I saw only two black people
In your
till I was in like no till I was like 10 or 11. Just two.
Too honoring.
Yeah.
Changing so fast.
Yeah.
So who used to pay? It's the men who used to pay the dowry to the girl.
No, women used to bring dowries.
Women.
Yeah, women, of course. Would you believe it if I told you that a lot of women have been burned alive because they did not bring enough dowries? It especially happens in the Tarai region, you know. Great
She
body.
had a crush seeing a black man, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He has a great body, and now this guy is another crush. Okay. His
Oh.
body was tea. Like wow, what a beautiful
So beautiful.
man. Yeah.
Holy
He
shit,
looks so
God.
good, okay?
Oh man.
Yeah.
So good.
Yeah.
I'm here with introduce yourself
I'm Srishti.
and
Divya. Divya.
Rivia. Alright. Nice to meet you guys. Guys, today we wanna be talking about dating life here in Nepal. Actually, how is dating life here in Nepal? Like you and another Nepal guy, is it easy or?
I would say at this age, like I think I'm a woman with my developed frontal lobe. So you know, sometimes I feel like it would be easy if like I did not have like that standards
Yes.
from men, right? A
Yeah.
lot of men they are bad. They are bad. They lack emotional intelligence. You know, they don't know how to act around women, okay? They don't
Yeah.
know how to comfort a woman, things like that. So yeah, because of those things, it's hard. Otherwise, it would be pretty easy. But also, I would say men, they are also not that bad, okay? But they lack the basic decency. It's not like they have harmed me or anything. Not anything of that sort. And of course, like I can't say they are decent because they haven't done that, because
Yeah.
that's like the basic thing, right?
Oh wow,
Yeah, but a lot of men are also very nice.
so nice.
Yeah.
Are you dating so far so good?
Not really. I think at this time I've decided to focus on my career and
Okay.
my education. Yeah. And my own thing, you know. It's so fun to spend time with my friend.
Yeah.
Than a
Your friend, yeah,
random
she is
guy
so
on a
cool,
date.
you know.
Yeah.
I'm here with this girl. She's a little bit shy. She's so calm, like she, you know, not everybody is okay on camera, but she's so open off camera. So, you know. yeah. I just actually met them randomly, and she called me to say hi, and she said she just saw a guy, like a black man on a movie, and she was like, oh, the guy looked like me. And she was like, let me just say hi to him, you know. That is
The
it.
guy's name is Joshua.
Joshua.
Yeah.
And I'm so close to that name. My name is Ken. I don't know how it relates. My name is Ken.
He looks so fine. I have to show you a picture of him.
Yeah. He looks so handsome.
Yeah, very handsome.
He looks like me. Oh man. Do you think I can date a Nepali girl?
Yeah, maybe, you know.
Have you ever seen a Nepali girl with a black man?
Of course, I have. I think I've seen two girls mainly on, like in TikTok. I've seen their TikTok. I think one is married to a black guy. Okay.
Let me
I'll
see
show
the
you
picture.
picture.
So she want to show me the picture of Joshua. Joshua the crush.
Oh. See, this is the guy.
Oh.
I told you, you look
Man.
similar, right?
You just have the hair like me.
Yeah.
You know. Oh, that's amazing. And she fell in love with Joshua. Hey Joshua, if you're watching this, you have a good friend here.
Yeah.
You have your crush here.
No, you are my crush, okay?
Okay, me. Oh, I just got. keeps crashing on me then.
Not you. This.
Oh, again! Oh, man! I wanted to twist the mind of the viewer, and they are like, oh man, you know? Ah, that's good actually.
No, it's me.
Joshua, hey my friend, can you date a black man?
Not interested in dating. Like, no Nepali guys, no.
Yeah, same for me.
She's
Like,
good. You must date a Nepali guy.
I think, yeah, there's like, I think.
Like the culture.
Yeah, of course.
Oh wow.
The culture is like we can't marry
From outside.
From not only outside, I think people are very conservative about marriage, especially like they would want us to marry. We're Brahmin, right? So our parents, they want us to marry the Brahmin guy,
Okay.
not even other castes.
Okay.
So, you know, foreigners will be out of question.
Ah.
Yeah.
All right, I got it.
But you know, what I've decided, I'm not gonna get married at all.
Oh really?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, right now that's my opinion. It might
I'm
change.
shocked. I'm
If I
shocked.
find a nice guy, maybe, I don't know. But right now, I
Maybe
don't
you
wanna
should
get
your mind.
married.
You should change your mind in future. This life living alone is hell, bro.
No,
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
it's not.
What do you think about that? Is it good idea?
It's
What about you? Will you get married in future or you just wanna stay cool?
I wanna get married.
Oh, yeah. Maybe when you get married, you think about it. Yeah.
I told you, I might think about it if I find a nice guy. That's my opinion right now.
Oh,
right now,
when you find a
I
nice
feel like
guy.
I don't want to get married at all.
Okay.
You know, but no, if someone is there, like making me feel like okay, I'd want a family life like that.
Somebody who might make you feel like a woman, you know.
Ah.
Somebody who can treat you way more better, like the queen.
Yeah.
The
Better than how I
princess.
treat myself, you know.
Okay.
It's like the competition of how I treat myself versus how a guy treats me. So
Okay.
I think, yeah. I mean, if our opinion on things, they change over time, right?
Okay.
With our experiences. So, but that's my opinion right now, for now.
Wow.
You know? Yeah.
And now, if I may ask, when you guys get married, who pays the bride price?
What price?
Yeah, is it the girl or the man?
For what price?
Like the bride price, like
Oh, right price?
dowry payment.
I think that on that topic, our culture has changed a lot. Nowadays, men are like, even the men's family, they are like, we just want your daughter, nothing else. There are some families like that, but on the other hand, like women are being tortured because they did not bring enough dowries, you know. So I think people are also learning and growing on that aspect, but also there are a lot of people who are like, okay, we want dowry, we want enough dowry. What you brought is not enough, you know. So
Okay.
there are both kinds of people, but I think the culture is shifting.
Changing so fast.
Yeah.
So who used to pay? It's the men who used to pay the dowry to the girl.
No, women used to bring dowries.
Women.
Yeah, women, of course. Would you believe it if I told you that a lot of women have been burned alive because they did not bring enough dowries? It
Oh.
especially happens in the Tarai region, you know. Women must bring a lot of dowries, like anything the groom asked. I think I've even heard about situations when like women were burned alive and you know the marriage being cancelled midway because the woman did not bring enough dowries or the groom demanded more when the marriage is going on, you know, the ceremony is going on. So
Whoa, you know, in Africa, like me as a man,
yeah.
when I marry, I have to pay the bride price.
Oh,
Me as a man.
that's crazy.
Yeah. So that's why we make sure we choose the right girl to marry in our lives. You know, like in Africa, we take like a man is supposed to pay the bride price and provide like to the family like everything they need. I don't know whether that's a price here.
Okay. Yeah, that.
Do
that,
men provide to women here,
They do. They do.
or it's vice versa?
No. They do. Men do provide for women, But I think nowadays in Nepal, I think I've seen a lot of women work to, contribute to the family finance because the economy is, the inflation has increased. It's so difficult to live in one man's salary, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, a lot of women are working and providing, like even helping their husbands run a family, right?
Okay.
And I think a lot of women are juggling both the things. They're working and also doing the housework, child work, everything. So,
Wow.
but I think the culture is changing over time.
Every day, yeah.
So
It's
women
changing every day.
are also helping. I think previously it used to be like women stay home and go to work, but nowadays a lot of women are working.
Oh wow.
So it's nice.
That's amazing. Maybe if I may ask you maybe the last question, like, is polygamous allowed in Nepal?
What?
Polygamy.
No.
It's not allowed.
It's a crime. You could
It's
be
a crime
jailed.
here.
Yeah, polygamy means like a man marrying two wives, right?
You mean that? Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean that. Like you
Yeah.
can't marry two wives.
Of course you can't. You have to get divorced from one, and then otherwise you could be taken to
Oh
court.
man.
You
Oh
could be
man.
taken
That's
to
insane.
court, and you could go to jail.
Like in my country, okay, we do marry one wife, but you have an option to marry more, even 10 if you want.
Oh, what the fuck?
Not actually 10, more than you feel like you
Can you
can.
provide for 10 women?
Yeah.
Wait,
In Africa, you have enough land.
I don't think so because land is not the way to go. I think no.
What do you think about that? Is it good?
No.
It's not good to marry 10
Do you
wives.
think I should have like 10 husbands? What do you think?
No, as a
Do you think
woman,
it's
no.
good? Why not? Why not?
You know, let me tell you something.
What you have different as a man? Let
You
me
can't,
hear
you
it.
can't, you can't have 10 wives.
Why? Oh, okay.
Like 10 husbands.
Why?
It's the same thing like if you take a glass of water, and you dip, everybody comes and dips their heart, like 10 people dip their heart, that water will get dirty. Do you know that?
It's like the same for men. Why don't you think the same for men?
No, it doesn't work like that to men.
Wait, let me. Okay, there's the road, okay?
Yeah.
And like when cars go by the road,
Yeah.
do you think the road is getting like bad or the cars?
Both.
Yeah.
Yeah, they
Why is it different from?
they should wear out both, like cars and
There
loads.
was a really good analogy. Okay, let me remember that. And
Yeah.
Okay.
Just
Because
remember
you're-
it.
You're
We
laughing
should,
is
we
not-
should,
how
we should
can- how
include
can
that
you-
on this conversation.
How can you say that? Like that's insane. You have the guts to say that out loud, okay? That's insane. It's like you're trying to raise bait me. Are you trying that?
No, I'm not trying to do that. I was trying to say like for a girl, I don't think it's okay to.
Yeah, I think for
Get
men
10
it's
men.
not good.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
For men, it's not good to have like 10 wives because they can't even provide for one. They hardly do. Like they lack the emotional intelligence to deal with one woman, and you think they do good with 10? That's crazy. Like, you could say that. How can you say that?
Anyway, I was just telling you, like in Africa.
I told you it was crazy. Because no insane person
Oh,
would
she
do
got me.
that.
She got me wrong side. Anyway, it's okay. But it happens in Africa right now.
I know. I would not be surprised.
But okay, it's very there actually. Very there. Yeah. It was in our tradition.
But I
But
would
these
really
days-
blame the women who go with the men with wives,
Yeah, a woman it feels
There are a
different.
lot of single men. Single, handsome, cool, educated,
Yeah.
provider men out there. And why marry the guy with wife?
Yeah, it's true. It's true. Oh wow, I'm so happy to meet you guys. Actually, you've told me more about marriage life and dating life here in Nepal. So,
Yeah.
my
In
friend,
Nepal, even the shittiest men would not would not say out loud that I could like have 10 wives. They would not. That's the difference.
can't.
They would not. I know
they can't have 10 wives.
They can't, but they would also not say I could like have 10 wives. They would not say that.
But in Africa, men prefer to have many wives.
Maybe.
You know what they say? Like when you annoy me, let's assume you're my wife. She's my wife too. And I have like more 3 here, so I have 5 wives, you know. When she annoys me,
In your dreams.
listen. When you annoys me, I'll go to her house. Because you must have your own house as a wife. So if you annoy me, I go to her house.
What if I want the biggest house in Kenya? Like, can you do that?
Like you
can't afford that,
like
right?
you live the life that you are able to. Like the normal life. You have your own house and you stay there with your kids. And when you want to visit your husband, he has his own palace at the middle of the village.
Okay.
So you go there when you feel like you want something, you go to that house.
That's crazy.
But a husband can leave his palace and visit you anytime he wants.
That's crazy.
Crazy or good?
Crazy.
Oh man.
Of course, that's insane.
Anyway, that used to happen in our tradition, not these days. It's very there now, right? It's still there, but very there anyway. Yeah. But you know, in Africa, we have large piece of land. We just farm, food is plenty. Not what you see on media, like we don't have food. There's a lot of food in Africa.
I know about
Yeah.
that, okay?
Yeah.
Of course, I told you, I know the good side of Africa, right?
Yes. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for the conversation.
Good to debate with you. Say that. Say that. Good to lose to you. Say that.
And I lost the
Yeah, of course you do.
Oh, guys, I lost.
To me. Wow. I'm
This
the
guy.
winner. Give me a trophy.
I give you a trophy like this,
Okay.
like that. Nice to meet you guys.
Me too.
And also, guys, thank you so much for watching this video of me with 2 Nepalese girls talking about dating life in Nepal. Los vemos a luego. Ciao. Goodbye. So guys, let's get the Instagram. So what's your Instagram? Maybe
So-
let me show you them all.
Mine is this.
Yeah. So go follow Shiristi. This is her name. Go follow her, please, and tell her
Guys, I
from
post
Ken
very
Masharia.
interesting videos, okay?
Yes. I show you mine.
Okay, I didn't have the internet.
Okay. She gonna give you. You can just say it. Network. Oh.
It's very funny. I feel like
I don't know
live
whether
in
mine
Stone
has.
Age.
Oh, mine is good. Mine is good. So follow her, and also maybe you can send me your Instagram. I will still write it on the screen. Yeah, so that people can follow you. You know, it's not connecting.
Yeah.
You know,
It's
I bought
Hotspot.
Nicel. I'm using
It's
Nicel.
Ansel.
Ncell.
Yeah.
Okay, that is it. That's what I'm using. It has good network. Maybe I can hotspot you guys.
Oh, really?
I can hotspot you. I bought a lot of internet, like 100 GB.
Oh, okay. Then you can definitely give us hotspot.
Yeah. You can hotspot. It's on. I don't know whether Android can hotspot.
Of
iPhone.
course you. Of course.
It can. Okay, I don't know.
What's your name on that?
Yeah, come on 19.
Can I see?
Password?
Yeah. No, your thing has not.
Okay, let me show you.
So